In today's fast-paced production environments, manufacturers are under constant pressure to do more with less. Less labor, less waste, and less downtime without sacrificing flexibility. Manual packing processes can slow production, strain operators, and limit growth. That's where the Combi Ergopack system comes in. A proven, semi-automatic packing solution that perfectly balances economics, industrial automation, and human flexibility. The Ergopack integrates case erecting, ergonomic packing, and sealing into one streamlined system. Operators focus on what they do best, accurately loading product while the system automatically handles the rest with consistency and reliability. Designed to handle a wide range of case sizes and applications, Ergopack models run at speeds ranging from 10 to 30 cases per minute, making them ideal for co-packing operations and outbound logistics. Combi also offers a sanitary washdown configuration perfect for food and beverage environments. Changeovers are fast and easy, allowing the system to effortlessly handle your dynamic production demands. Built with operator comfort in mind, the Ergopack system reduces repetitive motion and physical strain. By optimizing operator positioning and workflow, the Ergopack improves safety, productivity, and job satisfaction, hour after hour and shift after shift. Powered by Allen Bradley controls and Combi's field-proven case erectors and sealers, the Ergopack delivers maximum uptime and seamless integration into existing packaging lines. The result? Lower labor costs, higher throughput, reduced packaging waste, and a faster return on investment. It's no surprise that Ergopack is one of Combi's most popular packaging solutions. Discover how the Combi Ergopack system can streamline your operation with a solution that's customized, ergonomic, and built to last. Contact Combi today to schedule a consultation or live demonstration.